Everyone, and thanks for checking in as we take a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. Meteorologist Todd Nelson. Well, our storm system in the eastern U.S., that is beginning to wind down, of course, across the eastern U.S., and things have really added up in terms of snowfall and ice. That major storm again ending here on this Sunday. Still somewhat active, but not quite as impressive as a storm system. We're still going to be seeing some areas of precipitation through the week ahead, and also looking at some warmer temperatures ahead. So there's that storm system pulling away from the East Coast. A very quiet day today with some scattered light snow showers still drifting into the northern New England states. Nowhere near as much snowfall as what we had through the end of the week and this upcoming weekend. Here's our next little impulse of energy. You can see some rain to the south, kind of a wintry mix in between, and some snowfall to the far north, and then maybe some very minor snowfall accumulations with yet again another area of disturbed weather moving in by midweek here in some areas. But over the next 5 days, total precipitation looks heavier in the far northwestern corner of the nation, and some of that will be sighting through the central U.S. A little blob here in the upper Mississippi Valley and the Great Lakes in the form of some snowfall, and then we will have some heavier precipitation through the week ahead across the Gulf Coast states, some 1 to 2 inch tallies, and that may be accompanied by some thunder also down into Florida. So a 5-day snowfall forecast again showing that big blob of snow over the mid-Atlantic and the Northeast gone. We do expect, of course, some snowfall through the central and the northern Rockies, a little batch of shovelable snow from South Dakota to northern Minnesota, and then also through the Great Lakes region. But here's that 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, which takes us through the end of the month and early February. February 2nd is Groundhog Day, of course, but warmer than average throughout most of the nation. Temperature-wise here today, again, we're going to be a little bit above average in the central U.S., about 5 to 15 degrees, even close to 20 degrees above average over the panhandle of Texas. But today, still a little bit below average for places in Washington, D.C., and New York as we start our big dig in that area.